If you want to change the background of your photo to something else, then you have to remove the original first and make your photo's background transparent so you can edit your photo easily. It might sound tricky to do, but there are actually some easy ways to remove the background of your photo. The first way is to access remove.bg from your computer or laptop's browser. You just need to upload the picture you want to remove the background of, then the website will do the job for you. You can download the preview version of the image for free, but if you want the HD version, you'll need to sign up for an account. But the quality of the preview image is decent enough already. The second way to do this is using Adobe Photoshop. If you aren't really looking for clean and flawless edges, then you can try your luck with the Remove Background tool method. To do this, simply open your image, then click on its layer and unlock it. Then select Window from the menu above, then select Properties. Finally, from the Property dialog, click Remove Background under the Quick Actions. If that method didn't work out well for you, then you can use the Quick Selection tool. Just open your image, then click the Quick Selection tool from the toolbox. If you can't find it, then it might be nestled under the Magic Wand tool. Next, click on the background of the image, then continue to select parts of the background. The Quick Selection tool will do most of the job for you. But if you want to deselect a part of your photo, then just hold Alt or Options from your keyboard, then click on the part you want to deselect. Once you've selected the background, you should see some dash lines around your photo. Next, simply press Delete, and your background is gone. Now you can easily edit your photo and put any background you want. If you find this video helpful, click like and subscribe to watch other guides for all sorts of technology. And check out all these other cool videos we think you'll enjoy.